Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Podi Idli under 5 minutes. So this is very easy recipe, and what you need the idli, the hot water idli, and you need some podi, that is the gunpowder. So what I'm going to do, I took 3 tablespoons of gunpowder, that is podi, into this. If you want to check how to make podi at your home, you can check in my YouTube channel, guys. I will put the link in the description box so that it will be easy for you. And in this, I'm going to add the oil. So here I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, guys. For this recipe we need more oil because we have to mix the podi along with the oil, and I am going to mix with my hand, or you can use the spoon also, because I am going to dip the idli in this podi. So here I put the oil in the podi and I mixed this one very well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dip this idli into this podi. So can you see, guys? And I'm going to put this one in the plate. So this is done, guys. So yeah, and if you want to put this idli in this stick, you can put. So I will show you 2 idlis in this stick. So I put the idli in the stick also. So you can serve anything, guys. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make podi idli under 5 minutes at your home for your guest or for your family members. So yeah, no side dish is required because this podi is already spicy. So no side dish is required. So this is a quick video of how to make podi idli at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.